You want photo?
We will play also. Yeah. Okay, go. Oh, teko.
Wait. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh.
Can we get this in the Photoshop? Can we get this there?
Pwede. You stand here, babe. Up there. Look that side. Put in your pocket, your hand. Ito. Wala. Fake. The girl from shop.
Hindi.
Art.
2019.
Look. Nice. Ooh, look at this.
Ay, ganda.
Ooh, look at that. Look, the charts between the white. Ito yan.
Ganda. Ganda, galing nga. Ganun, nalito.
Oo. You stay there. Wait. Okay na. Look this reflection.
Dito na isang baby with the reflection.
Oo. Waiting for someone passing. Yes. Did I get? Yes. Hi, excuse me. Are you also a photographer or?
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, I'm doing like a street photographer.
Oh,
so,
nice.
yeah.
What kind of camera do you have?
I have a Sony a3.
Oh,
You a4.
yeah.
I can see that. It's a bigger.
The 7200?
Yeah, 7.8 is
108.
Tamron.
Oh,
And you?
nice. The 2405.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's G-Master.
Yeah, G-Master.
Wow.
Yeah, I really love
It's
this
really,
lens.
really
yeah.
nice.
Just for street photography, it's perfect.
Yeah.
But with the 180, you have a bit more range to photograph.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
But
quite good.
how long do you use street photography?
I just bought last February.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you start out of the blue or?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm working on that ship.
Yeah.
So every time I'm going out, so
Oh, you go with
everywhere.
the cruise?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
so I go everywhere.
Yeah, and where are you coming from?
I'm from Bali.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have been in Bali?
No, but I'm planning to go there at
Yeah.
the end of the year. Yeah, yeah, nice.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
So are you from here? Or?
No, I'm from Holland.
From Holland?
Yes, yes.
So you just some holiday
Yeah, I
place?
have some friends who live just nearby Stavanger, so and I was never been here, but I heard so many good stories about here.
Yeah.
So I just, yeah. And I'm more like portraits, but for nature and street photography, it's also so nice. And
Yeah.
But have you made a lot of pictures?
Yeah, actually I'm doing like with my phone. Yeah. I'm asking for stranger.
Oh, wow.
This was in Madrid.
Yes?
And,
Oh, wow. And you just asked people and then...
yeah.
Oh, cool. That's the most perfect spontaneous pictures.
Just some street.
Oh, nice. I really like it.
Yeah, thank you.
And you just start?
Yeah, I just started.
Wow.
But I have
You have talent.
yeah.
Wow, wow.
But every
You see
week.
love from the world.
Yeah.
Nice.
Still every
nice.
week, and we still come back.
Yeah, do you have Instagram so I can
Yeah,
follow
yeah.
you? Alright, so.
I forgot where's my phone.
Well, have a nice trip and a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
So maybe
and,
can I just take photo for you? Just
yeah, of course.
some portrait, yeah?
If you want. Yeah, of course.
maybe let's have in the stair.
Okay.
More. Okay, just here I think.
How do you want me?
Yeah. That's all. Fine. Nice.
Yeah, are they great?
Yeah.
With the wind. Oh, nice. I like them.
Thank you.
Ah, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I really like this lens.
Yeah. It's
I
cheaper.
work at a camera shop, but I don't have. I
Tamron.
only have the 7200, but not the 108.
7200. Yeah, it's G-Master, right?
No,
Yeah.
it's from Tamron, but
Tamron also?
yeah, and it's a 2.8. But
Yeah,
I've
it's
never seen this
2.8.
one before. Is it a new one or?
No, it's since 2 years already.
Okay, okay, that's
I was thinking before to buy the Sony G-Master 7200.
Oh yeah.
But it's like 2000 something.
Yeah,
but this
yeah.
is like half price, I
Yeah,
guess. So it's
yeah, okay.
the same
Oh, I will keep
2.8.
it in mind. Yeah, but I have a lot of customers at the shop who wants the 7200
Yeah.
f4 or 2.8, and I recommend those. But this one, when you have not much budget, you can use this one because the quality looks very good.
Yeah, it's
the
still-
inclination of your body, of course.
Yeah.
But
It's
oh,
too big, I
nice.
think.
Perfect. Well, have
Thank
a
you.
nice day.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day. Ooh, nice bike.
Plenty nice bike kayo. Ay,
no?